in any kind of low price fallout, you're going to see consolidation.
An over $23 billion deal. Cenovus Energy plans to buy Husky. The mega merger set to better position the companies as the pandemic drives down demand for oil and gas. It's part of a string of integrations as companies try to survive ongoing struggles.
Calling themselves leaner but stronger in a conference call Sunday, the companies explain they can better handle West Texas intermediate oil prices, the U.S. benchmark that's battered them in the past with a price differential that's had them selling crude at a deep discount.
See, I can still run my refinery, I can buy barrels off the market. And so now my exposure is I can optimize over that entire value chain. So the products that come out of a refinery all the way to the extraction point of view. So it gives them more control, and ultimately the best word to think about is optionality.
Cenovus contributing its oil producing sites with Husky's extensive upgrading, refining and transportation network. And it's on trend. ConocoPhillips announced last Monday it's buying Concho Resources in a $9.7 billion deal. It followed Paramount Resources Limited's 17% acquisition of Calgary's New Vista Energy. The Cenovus-Husky deal will create Canada's third largest oil and gas producer.
The 2014-15 price collapse, and it led to a much more consolidated Western Canadian industry. I think we're seeing it again as companies kind of deal with and look forward that we may be in this $40 to $50 bandwidth for a little bit longer.
Mergers often lead to layoffs, even with a series of job cut announcements so far.
That's the unfortunate piece for the people in those regions that have these companies. There is that trade-off that the company will be more resilient, and the people that do work there will have greater stability in the long run.
The merger is expected to save $1.2 billion in about a year.
We'll get a better picture of both companies' financials on Thursday when they're set to release their third quarter reports. In Calgary, Laderas, City News.